This will be video number 4, and I'm going to be working on puzzle piece number 4 for me. If I'm looking at my physical cube in front of me. This is number 1, this is number 3, and number 4 is going to be hanging out right over here. So I'm on my top component. It's activated right now. I want to create a new component, and this is going to be puzzle number 4 for me. So puzzle 4, and just keeping things organized like so. And then I want to create a sketch, and I want to create that sketch on this outside plane here. So right here on this outside plane. Let's actually create it on this inside plane. We'll see if I can get over here. So shift, move around a little bit. Holding that shift key, and you can kind of see what I got going on here. I want to be on this plane right there. That's beautiful. Okay, then I'm going to project. Okay, P for project. And I want to project onto some certain squares. You can click on all of these here. And that just helps me out here to project things. It allows me to move or extrude objects to different heights. Click OK. You get that purple outline there. And then shift and mouse wheel moving around here. Okay, I know where I want to draw now. I'm going to start. I'll get directly on top of it again here. So let's do a right side view. I want to start with, I'm going to start right up here, my line tool. And again here, this is pretty quick and simple. Line, draw down, draw over, draw down, draw over, draw down, draw 2 over, 1 down, 2 over, and 2 over, and 1 over, and 2 up, and back over. And then escape, close out that, and I can finish that sketch there. Shift, mouse wheel. Looks like I missed a section here, so I got to add another line here. So I'm going to go back into my sketch. Okay, moving down here, and you should only have 1 sketch per puzzle. And I'm going to right click on here, edit sketch, and I missed this line here somehow. So line, and that's going to go in there. That's going to close out that shape. Escape. Okay, now I want to extrude this. So finish sketch. Okay, E for extrude. Boom, I want to extrude that piece, and you got to look on here and look on your cube, that piece, and shift to move around. And you can see what's going to happen here where I want to extrude this. I want to extrude it out 0.5, so I can drag it out 0.5. Okay, I want a new body, that looks good, and click OK. And then I go back up to my top component, and right there. And sometimes, like, they give me the same color. We'll be able to change the color in our final design, but it's going to give me the same color for right now. That's fine. All right, I'm going to move around here. This is number, okay, I'm going to keep on going here on this one. I think this is number 6 going on. Maybe a red cube. Okay, number 6. So again here, I'm going to create a new component. I'm going to run through this pretty fast, pretty quick now. This is the same information. Puzzle 6. Okay, create sketch, and shift, mouse wheel, move around. I want to create it on this plane right there. And then I want to project, P for project. I'm going to project on all these surfaces right here, and click OK. Shift, mouse wheel, can move around, can see where I projected to. And I'm going to go back to my back view here, and now I'm going to draw. So line tool, and I'm drawing for number 6. So let's organize this so I know where I'm at. So look like that. Double check here. Yep, 2's going to go in there. That looks good, yeah. So, and backside view. Line tool, I'm going to start here, 2 down, 1 over for me. Okay, 1 down. Okay, 1 over, 1 down. It looks like I missed that section again here. I'll have to go back and draw that. 1 over, 1 over, 1 over, 1 over, 2 up, 1 over, and 1 over, and 1 over, 1 up, 2 over, and escape. Okay, let's see what I missed here. See what I didn't get in there. We'll see in a second too. But it looks like I want this line right there. So line right there. Escape. That looks like it closed out. And then I can try and extrude it. So E for extrude. Boom. I want that section. I want this section. and I think that's it. And we'll move it out here. We'll see what this looks like. Looks like it looks good. And move it out 0.5. 0.5. Click OK. All right, I got 2 more pieces here. So next piece here is going to be number 2. So go back to my top component here, create new component. This will be puzzle 2. And then create a sketch and move around here, shift, right click, or shift mouse wheel. And I want to create it on this inside plane right here if I can get on that. So yeah, right there. Perfect. P for project. I'm just going to project around the entire edge here to help me out. Click OK. And then move around here. I'm going to start drawing, I think, right in this area here. So left view. It'll organize my cube. And line tool. And boom. 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 Coming down. Going across. Just following my paper design right now. And we'll see. Oh. Can't get on there right now, so escape. Okay, I'm going to draw another line here. Let's see if this will go across to here and lock on there. Yeah, there we go. Got it. Sometimes, depending on where things are at, I might need to do that. Draw a line there, just draw a line back there. Didn't go. And this is going up 2. And over 1. And let's draw that back there so it goes on top of that. Make sure I get that black line there. That looks good. And then I think I got one more piece here, maybe. Just finish this out here. That looks good, and do that too. And you can also just draw over these 2 to make them black. And we'll see if that pops up. It doesn't pop up there. Escape. Okay, then shift mouse wheel, move around here so you can see what I'm doing. E for extrude. Do that piece. I want to do this piece. Let's organize my cube. Okay, number 2, I want to do that piece. I want to do this piece. I want to do that piece. And then which way do I want to go? That's the question. So shift, right click. It looks like I want to come out. So I'm coming out 0.5. And then I click OK. And then we can get a home view of this, see what it looks like. And then let's activate that top component. You can see all the different colors. You can move around now. You can see I have 2 of the same color. That's okay. We'll change that in the final. And then I got my last piece here, my bottom piece that I need to add on here. So I'm going to go around to the bottom, organize this here like so. I'm going to do just like that view. Perfect. Okay, then I'm going to create a new component. And my bottom piece is called Puzzle 5. And then create a sketch, and I'm going to do it on, I'm going to make sure I get in on this plane here, so I'm going to move around. This is a little tricky, and I can help you out with this too, but you need to try. So I want to be on that plane, I think right there, so let's double check that, where I'm at. Yeah, that looks beautiful. Okay, then see where you're at in that plane. Use your mouse wheel, move around. You can see I'm on that plane right there. Perfect. And I'll get another bottom view. And this here, I want to project again. P for project, 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 project. You can project onto everything around the edge here. Click OK. Okay, then I need to draw out my cube. So let's see where I'm starting at. So I see that green piece coming down. So I'm going to start right up here in the upper left. L for line. Okay, I'm drawing 2 over, 1 down. A 1 over, 1 up, 1 over, 2 down, 1 over, 2 down, a 1 over, 1 up, 1 up, 1 down, 1 over, 2 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 over, and 1 up. And we'll see an escape here. And then if E for extrude, I bet I can do this here. So shift, right click. I want to extrude this piece. I want to extrude this piece. I want to extrude this piece. I want to extrude this piece, and that piece. So we'll see if this works out. Oop. Moving all over the place here. Okay, I want to move in. Do I want to move in or out? I think I want to move down. So yeah, here we go. 5, and then I click OK. Let's see what this looks like. And we'll see if I got it correct here. Ooh, yeah, beautiful. Okay, so there is my entire cube. All put together. This is your final design in Fusion should look like. And notice here, if I go down these drop-down menus, I only have one sketch. Okay, one sketch, one body per component. I have one parent component, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brothers and sisters on there. So I'm going to save it. Okay, make sure it's saved up. Command S to save to the user save. I think this will become version number 5. All right, that'll be the end of video number 4.